Welcome to How To, your guide to everything. We're your ultimate guide to understanding the world around you, one topic at a time. Today we're taking a detour from our usual subjects and embarking on a flavorful journey into the world of olive oil. From the sun-drenched groves where olives grow to the bottle on your kitchen shelf, we're going to uncover the captivating journey of this golden elixir. So, grab your apron, put on your explorer's hat, and join us as we delve into the fascinating process that transforms a humble olive into culinary gold. Let's start the journey. Ever pondered the journey that your favorite olive oil takes before it graces your kitchen shelf? Today we're diving into the fascinating process of olive oil preparation. A staple in Mediterranean cuisine, this golden elixir is loved for its rich, fruity flavor and numerous health benefits. But what does it take to transform a humble olive into this culinary gold? Let's find out. The olive oil production process begins with the olive tree itself. These hardy trees, native to the Mediterranean region, can live for hundreds of years. They are typically harvested once a year, between November and December, when the olives are ripe and ready. The timing of the harvest is crucial. If the olives are picked too early or too late, it can greatly affect the taste and quality of the oil. Once the olives are harvested, they are quickly transferred to the mill to prevent decay. Here they are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt, leaves, and twigs. Following the washing process, the olives go through a crushing phase. They are ground into a paste using large stone wheels or steel drums. This helps to break down the cell walls and release the oil droplets. Next comes the malaxation stage. The olive paste is slowly churned or mixed to allow the tiny oil droplets to combine into larger ones. This process, done at a controlled temperature, is crucial in determining the quality of the olive oil. After malaxation, the paste is spun in a centrifuge to separate the oil from the solids and water. The oil is then decanted naturally or centrifuged again to remove any remaining water. The final step is filtration, where any remaining impurities are removed. What you're left with is pure, unadulterated olive oil. There are different grades of olive oil, including extra virgin, virgin, and pure. Extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality, made from the first pressing of the olives without any heat or chemicals. It's celebrated for its intense flavor and high nutritional value. To summarize, the olive oil preparation process is a delicate dance that begins with the harvesting of ripe olives. These olives are then cleaned, crushed into a paste, and subjected to malaxation to combine the oil droplets. The oil is separated from the solids and water through centrifugation, followed by a final filtration stage to ensure purity. So, the next time you drizzle that olive oil over your salad or use it to saute your favorite veggies, remember the remarkable journey it has taken to reach your plate. From the sun-kissed Mediterranean olive groves to your kitchen, every drop of olive oil carries within it a rich legacy of tradition, careful craftsmanship, and a whole lot of love.